We're going to upgrade the computer system for the Simply Ham Radio channel to help process videos faster. The computer system here for the AA1PR channel. And for other applications, I guess if you're into ham radio, the ham radio applications. I'm not very ham radio active anymore other than DMR, but it'll kick some butt at that because this is a dual core and we're upgrading to a hex core. So let me shut things down and let me get everything pulled out of the back of there. Which isn't too much of a wiring nightmare. But we'll get the new one in and we'll be right back. Looks like just a box. Brand new HP computer. Had some help buying this. The folks helped me bought this. Thank you. This is a, well anyways, let me get it opened up, then I'll show you the specs. So I can't remember off the top of my head. I do remember it's a 512 gig SSD drive as well as a 1 terabyte hard drive and 16 gigs of RAM, and I can't remember if it was quad core, hex core, but anyways, let's get it open and let's see what we got. Okay, looks like I got a keyboard, the tower, the power cable. Not sure if there's a mouse anywhere. This computer looks bigger than what I anticipated, but anyways, let's get it out of the package and see what we got here. This is supposed to be a brand new HP computer, so I don't know if this is how HP sends them like this or not. So, hope they didn't get screwed on the buyer or the seller trying to send something different. But anyways, let me get it out of the bag. Let's see what we got. Intel Core i5, HP, USB-C, SD card, USBs. Looks like a DVD drive. I don't believe it's a DVD burner. Let's flip it over carefully and see what we got. Okay, so we got the typical speakers, microphone. Not sure what that is. Fuse or relay the fan. More USB points. Not sure what drive that is. Where's my son of a beach? This is not the version that they show on the internet. The one on the internet shows a blue VGA cable. I don't know what that port is. Not sure how I can get this to work with my computer. Uh-oh, this is not what we ordered. This is at least not what's showing on Amazon. This is totally different. Okay, in order to get this new computer to work with my monitor without buying a new monitor, had to get a DVI-D cable. I hope this works because I'm broke, out of funds, and I don't know what else to do. Okay, hopefully that thickness means quality, but that also puts a lot of stress and weight on the back of the monitor and the back of the computer. Okay, so I got the HP on the desk, got it up here. Let's go through the setup. United States, yes. US, yes. Want a second keyboard? No. Skip. Checking for updates. I got it plugged into my RJ45 shielded internet cable. Pause this for a while. Still checking for updates. Well, what I can tell you, that is a big tower. 13 by 13 by 6 inches deep. Other one may have been the same, but it was only like 2.5, maybe 3 inches deep. Okay, it's been a few minutes. It's telling me it's restarted. Updates underway. Please keep your computer turned on. I'm not touching a damn thing. No thunderstorms approaching today, so my monitor's dirty. I can see that, so hopefully everything goes well. It's alive! It's alive! I gotta name my device. I'll be back. Okay, name my computer. I really need to clean that screen, don't I? Maybe do that while this is reloading. And I do not have a Microsoft account. They best let me pass this. Okay, this computer's really pissing me off. You know, I don't understand this. You gotta create a Microsoft account. Well, my other Microsoft account's on my other computer, which I never recorded before I took it down. I figured I could just set this up, but this must be a stupid features of Windows 11. So now I gotta create a PIN after having to create a whole new account to recognize my phone number, but oh. Okay, so we set up the PIN, and I also cleaned the computer screen, if you could tell. I don't like half this stuff. I recommend you disable what you don't like. Otherwise, they're going to steal all your information. Forgot to show it. Wanted to set up creativity and gaming and all this other stuff. I don't use this. I use this for making videos, checking emails, surfing the web, paying some bills, and that's it. Getting things ready for you. Woohoo! I'm a privileged fool. You know, we're using a DVI-D cable on here from the computer to the monitor. And I really don't see any difference of picture quality on this monitor. This is a high def 1080 by 1920 monitor, but anyways, I don't see any difference visually. Oh, there's my hex core Intel i5. Oh, I can't remember. 512 gigabytes of SSD hard drive and 1 terabyte HDD drive. 16 gigs of RAM, and I don't remember all the good stuff. Anyways, I'm trying to put it on the new all my stuff from the hard drive down there, 2 hard drives, into the new computer, into the hard drive, and then with the new Windows 11 operating system, you have your, well, there's my 4 terabyte I'm transferring from. Got the local disk, which I have 127 gigabytes free, and I've only added a handful of programs. And I have a data drive, which I don't know what I'm supposed to store there, but I got some picture folders transferring into there. So anyways, this is supposed to be 512 gigs of local hard drive. I thought that's where the programs and stuff were supposed to go, which it does look like, but it's not very much, man. All I have on here is Photoshop, PS5, NX Studio, OpenShot Editor, and that's it. And almost out of space. It's not a good sign. Who would have known? Okay, I've been trying to set up my computer, the Windows 11 hex core, 11400F, whatever this thing is, and every time I turn around, it's got an update. This time the BIOS, which is not a bad thing, but I gotta learn how to let me choose when to do it, not what it wants to do right when I'm in the middle of creating, say, a video or something. Almost had a heart attack after that BIOS update. The computer here clicked on off, on off, on off, on off. And then for my little screen lock page, I got a picture of my kitty cat, my favorite little baby boy, Leo. This is using a DVI-D cable. There is some additional clarity using that over a VGA connector. Okay, what's it doing now? Unless it went to sleep again. It goes to sleep too soon. This hex core computer is screaming fast. Okay, it's been 1 minute. It's processing this video into an MP4. And it's only been 1 minute and a few seconds. I'll report back. Okay, started this at 12:12. It's 12:16. And I can't see it around the computer. And it's done. 4 minutes to process, right around a 4-minute video, so that's not bad. About 1 minute per minute length of video. Thing's impressive. My old dual core computer would have took 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Some long videos like 15, 20 minutes would have took well over an hour.